Hello everyone, I'm Tarun, Technical Sales Engineer at Fortress. We are here today at Omnifactory.
I'm Joe from Omnifactory at Nottingham University.
Joe, could you explain what is Omnifactory?
It's a reconfigurable cell where we've got a lot of equipment ready to go to do projects with local partners and aerospace companies.
Over here we have worked with Uni of Nottingham to specify an interlock unit.
We chose Fortress Interlock so that we could lock the entire perimeter and enable a particular safety scenario where we show that there's nobody inside the cell and that anyone accessing the cell would cause an e-stop.
They've chosen PoE to go with, so this is our new technology, PoE. So PoE means power over Ethernet. So we can have our units running on a single cable, which allows us to reduce the cost, which allows us to reduce the lead time, which allows us to reduce the installation, which is basically what the Omnifactory is trying to do with their reconfigurable with the advanced manufacturing.
It was a simple install, one wire install, and power over Ethernet, as you said, meant that it's easy to do, and it also means that it's reconfigurable for future use if you want to change where we have these interlocks.
As this unit is on PoE, as you can see, there's no trap key being installed. If a customer was after a trap key installation, we could also integrate a trap key sequence, which means that the operator will be forced to use a trap key, and then a trap key interlocking becomes a part of it over the power over Ethernet. Over here, they have also integrated some control IOs, which they're using as a part of their safety start and safety stop. So once the start control IO has been pressed from here, and a control box has been installed in the control room of the Omnifactory, where an authorized operator will go all the way around to the robot cell.
To do a safety walk, so we have two modules, one at the start of the cell and one at the end of the cell, and by pressing a button at the start, it shows that we're starting at the start of the safety walk and checking that there's nobody in the cell. And when we get to the control room and press to end the walk, we're confirming that there's nobody in the cell and we're safe to move at full speed.
So what control box does, it allows you to have different functionalities of these control IOs on its own at any location as you would like. Once again, those control boxes can also be again on the network, running over the power over Ethernet, PoE.
It was a good situation. Fortress came and worked with us from the start of the project to decide what we wanted. The Profinet and power over Ethernet option meant that it was a simple install and interfaced with our Siemens orchestration that we've got here.